Back to another what sold video, and this video is a jeans specific video. I will share with you 10 different pairs of jeans that I sold on eBay and Poshmark. Without further ado, let's get started. So we'll start on Poshmark. I sold a pair of men's BKE denim jeans. These were the Tyler straight leg denim jeans, size 32 long. The thing I like about the buckle jeans is they say the style name right on the inner waistband, as you can see here. These were BKE from Buckle. I paid $4.50 for these jeans. In fact, most of the jeans were $4.50. Since I did pick them up at Goodwill, if there is an exception to that price, I will note it going forward. These jeans sold on Poshmark for $30, and my buyers on Poshmark do pay for shipping. So the profit on this pair of jeans was $17.15. The keywords to note on this item, I did include Buckle Tyler straight leg denim jeans. They were 32L for 32 long. This ABM 2372 number is the style number on the inner tag. I did include the keyword distressed and men's. If you're a reseller like me and enjoyed this type of content, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, which tells me you like this kind of video and would love to see more of it. I greatly appreciate it. And the next item to sell on Poshmark was a pair of women's jeans. These are Judy Blue, size 9 by 29. They did have the button fly. Now these sold quickly within 2 months of listing. They sold for my full asking price of $40. Again, with that cost of goods of $4.50, my profit was $23.54. Judy Blue also includes the style name right on the inner waistband. In this case, it was the boyfriend fit. I do list these Judy Blues as junior sizes, as this was a size 9. The other keywords to note on this one, distressed, boyfriend fit. This was the style code on the inner tag, stretch. Button fly is also a great keyword on this. So do keep your eye open for a Judy Blue. I sell quite a few of these. In fact, here is another pair. These were a plus size 16W. This sold within 1 week of listing for my full asking price of $47. Now these were distressed and destroyed with holes at the knees. Evidently, folks like to pay more for jeans with holes. These were the plus size 16W, again with the straight fit on the inner waistband. Tells you exactly what the style number is. And then on this inner tag, they do have the style code as well. The keywords to note on this one, Judy Blue, I did include Los Angeles distressed denim jeans plus size. I did include 16W and then 16 space W in case folks were searching for that. I included the keyword destroyed and boho. My profit on this pair of jeans was $27.74. So do keep your eye open for Judy Blue. And the next pair of jeans that I sold was another pair of buckle jeans. These were women's BKE Peyton, 29 by 31.5. Now I do love the fact that Buckle will include the size dimensions on their inner tag. I do also provide my own measurements in the description. In this case, the inseam measured more of 32 with the waist 16.5 laying flat. So it was more like a 33-inch waist. I paid just $1 for these at a church sale. They sold for $25 and the buyer did pay shipping, so my profit was $16.70. Now, normally I can sell these BKE jeans for more than $25. However, with the lower cost of goods of just $1, I was willing to accept that price. These were, in fact, a little worn and torn, and I did note that in the description as well. The keywords to note on this one: BKE denim patent buckle, 29 by 31.5 boot cut. I did include the keyword Western, boot, jeans, 29R, and back flap, which refers to the back flap pockets that have the fold over closure. And the last item to sell on Poshmark, this pair of jeans, was a pair of silver Suki mid-slim bootcut denim jeans. These sold within 2 weeks of listing for $34 on Poshmark. My profit when it was all said and done was $20.66. I do still pick up silver jeans. They used to sell for a lot more money, closer to $50. However, $34 isn't bad when the buyer does pay shipping. Silver jeans will include the style number right on the inner tag, in this case Suki mid-slim boot, as well as provide the measurements. I will also provide my own measurements. And the keywords to note on this one: Suki mid-slim boot. I did include the size with the spaces as well as without. Boot cut, Western, and stretch. My profit on this pair of jeans was $20.66. Next, we'll hop over to eBay. I sold a pair of men's Levi denim jeans. Again, the price on the jeans moving forward was $4.50 each. These sold on my promotion for $37.52, and the buyer did pay $9 shipping. So they were about $46 all in on these jeans. These took 2 months to sell. Now, this was a first for me. I see Western fit on the back of this Levi tag, so I did pick it up in the thrift store. I priced these jeans high at $50. But they took a while to sell, and they did finally sell on my promotion. My profit was $29.62. Have you guys heard of this Western fit for Levi's? It actually says Western fit on the back tag. These were a good size 36 by 32. My profit on this pair of jeans was $29.62. The keywords to note on this one: Levi, Western fit, Levi's. I never know whether to include the apostrophe or not. In this case, I did include it both ways. Men's jeans, 36 by 32 stretch. I did also include the keyword cowboy since it was the Western fit. So leave a comment below and let me know, do you include the apostrophe on Levi's or do you leave it off? I'm curious. And the next item to sell, this buyer actually picked up 2 of these, both BKE size 33 double XL. I found these side by side at the thrift store for $4.50 each. He bought both of them for $81.39, and he paid $18 shipping. So he was $99 in on these 2 pair of BKE buckle jeans. This one was the Tyler straight leg. And then again, the style code is on the inner tag that you see right here. So I do like to include that in the title. I did include the sizing both ways, 33 XXL, and then again with the space. And the other pair of jeans he bought was also BKE. These were Tyler straight as well. A different style code. I think maybe they were just a different shade. But he picked up both of these. I was able to ship them in the same box. My actual shipping cost was $10.42, and he paid $18 to ship them both. So I did make a little bit of money on the shipping charge. My profit on the 2 pair of jeans was $67.04. So yes, the BKE buckle denim jeans for men sell better than those for women. And as you can see here, these were even a little worn and torn, but evidently that adds to the distressed look. And the next item to sell on eBay was another pair of Levi jeans. These were the 569, which is the loose straight fit, 32 by 36. They did have the blank red tab on the back. And by that I mean this red label tag on the back. It did not have the word Levi's. Now that does not mean this is a fake pair of Levi jeans. In fact, Levi does print these from time to time. So I will pick up Levi jeans in various styles. This was $4.50. The buyer paid $25 plus $9 shipping. I did accept a best offer, so they were $34 all in. My profit on this pair of Levi's was $17.19. Looking at these keywords, again with the Levi apostrophe, no apostrophe, I don't know. I included it both. The size, 32 by 36, I did include it with and without the spacing. And I did note that it had the blank tab on the back. And the last pair of jeans I'd like to share with you that sold on eBay is another pair of Judy Blue. These were wide leg, new with tags. I did have these priced way high at $99. They did sell on my promotion for $47.07, and the buyer paid $9 shipping. So they paid over $50 for this pair of new Judy Blue jeans. Now I do believe these were crop style wide leg. My profit on this pair of jeans was $38.45. I've had these for about 4 months, so when the offer came in, I was okay to let them go. The keywords to note on this one, NWT for new with tag Judy Blue wide leg denim jeans, 1130. They were high waist. Button fly, this was a style code on the inner tag, and I did include the keyword boho. This is our assistant, Dolly. She likes to inspect the packages before I send them to the post office. If you've enjoyed this video or learned something new today, pound that like button. It's a thumbs up. It really helps my channel, and it tells me that I am creating great content that you guys love. And I'm Zandra, Piece of Scrap on YouTube. Subscribe for more What Sold on eBay.